baby, like, ooh, it's all another flower lane. The sun goes around the state. Can't wait for the long day.
On the other side of the building is a tiny little ranger station made out of stone. That's Survey Lodge. That's where the steam powered generator was that used to control the elevator in the 1870s and 1850s. And there's an underground tunnel from that building to this building, and that's how they got the elevator to come up to the
It's actually 555 feet, 5 1/8 inches tall, and at the time of its completion in 1884, that height made it the world's tallest structure. The Washington Monument has been determined to be the world's tallest freestanding stone structure, meaning there is no steel support inside. It's just stone upon stone, held together by gravity, and everyone holding their breath. Very impressive. When you get to the top, take your time looking out of the windows.
Yeah, okay, let's go.
We have to go there, yeah.
For sure. The photo potential. Oh my god.
Baby, like, ooh, it's all another flower lane. The sun goes around the state. Can't wait for the long day. In the sun when I found you, the one you call. You got what I need and you always be turning my sky blue. But maybe I can't get to you. So why don't you come to stay? Cause baby, like, ooh, it's all another flower lane. The sun goes around the state.
Hi, bye.
Can't wait for the long day.
The White House even that way.
I don't know.
Baby, like, ooh, it's all another
It
flower.
really is. I feel like I'm in an opening.
The sun goes around the state. Can't wait for the long day.
Welcome to a day in my life. I got up at around 9:30 and my first class was just a do your own kind of group assignment thing. So I was just doing Zoom. And I'm going to my second class, which is my international supply chain management. Should be quite boring, but yeah, we'll head for lunch after and then do some work in the afternoon. And it's my friend's birthday, so I'm gonna go have dinner with her.
Exit consultancy, logistics services, credit referral.
They are presenting, because that tells you the knowledge you have in the freight forward. Fresh routes, those who require special handling. So see if your freight forwarder. When you are taking the freight forwarder, know what you are paying for. Are you just paying for the China aspect, or are you paying for both the China aspect and the US aspect? Know exactly what pay. That's what you are paying for.
These are really pretty. I like how much smaller these are. There's these ones as well, but like the stem is really long, so it looks kind of weird. Yeah, I don't know. Got the flowers. Not sure if she will like them, but like they're pretty objectively to me, so. Bon appetit! Thank you. I like mine's a bit undercooked. Undercooked?
Send it back, send it back.
You want to fly with him? No. How is al dente.
Happy birthday to she. Happy birthday to you. Hey, it worked.
Oh, wow.
Doesn't work?
No, it's a...
It's feeling it.
라이터도 없네 우리. Thank you guys. Happy birthday. That's the cutest. Happy birthday. I know, right?
Oh, yeah.
My spin class was so hard too.
Every time she asks me, do I look okay? Do I say, what when I see your face down that road, will she come back? It's not a thing that I would change, 'cause you're amazing, just the way you are. When I see your face.
They actually do it.
You know, maybe I will have that popcorn. Because look, she's got a nice little local theater. You never make it in the big.
Hi, I'm on my way to go kayaking out the freaking cherry blossoms in DC, and I'm going with Sadie. It was really hard to get into. There were like 9 spots in total, and like a bunch of people woke up at 6 a.m. to try to get them. I'm gonna her building now, and then we're gonna go together to this way. We're gonna go together to the adventure trip area, which is where we're leaving. We're wearing like weird stuff because it's like cold, like 14 degrees, but it's really sunny. Also has to be like waterproof stuff. I'm just gonna wear my swimsuit, which I already have underneath, and then like this, the wetsuit I have to wear because it's too cold, and your life jacket. And thank God they have like booties that you can borrow, so I'm not gonna wear like my shoes in the water. So yeah, should be fun. I'm excited. Don't know how to pedal that well.
We got for two. Let's get going. I'm with you. You're dropping something. Hold up in position for a second.
Wilder, it would be this. Actually, no, that's pretty wild.
No, I think red would be more subtle.
Yeah, that's true. you'll be the hottest guy in the club with red hair.
I feel like I haven't seen a guy with red hair in a really long time.
This is safer, I think. This one's safer. But I'm actually kind of scared. I'm scared he's gonna hate it.
I'm gonna wear a hat after today.
Okay,
Mine's just
let's go.
yeah,
Let's go.
Yeah, I forgot everything.
Yeah, stop thinking.
Or do you have like a shirt that you don't care that it'll get dyed? We love a simple project.
Okay, apply hair color mixture immediately. Immediately. Done.
Oh my god. Okay, let's move it to the bathtub.
Getting 1 inch. It's gonna go. Oh my gosh, I'm scared. Okay, 1 inch away from the root.
Oh, time. What's the time now?
Oh, we have to time it? But she looks pretty good. I thought you've done this before. You look confident.
Have to be. Oh my god's got panic. He's gonna stop by.
It's your coping mechanism. Well, so far it looks like you're just having like shampoo in, so nothing's happening yet.
Yeah.
Yet.
This might be my biggest regret. Anyone.
Apply enough product to cover the lengths and ends of the hair. Work color throughout lengths and end to ensure even resolves. Save some mixture to apply to roots. Leave on for 20 minutes.
Okay, wait, let me stand on that.
Oh, it looks lighter.
Yeah, it does look lighter.
Ooh, I don't think it's the
Okay.
color we were
Going for, but
it looks good. I don't think you have to wear a cap, John.
Yeah, this is very like normal. Like
You feel disappointed because it looks more normal?
Yeah, a little bit.
but at least he's not gonna regret it.
That's true.
Okay.
But I think
so-
my thing is more important.
your entertainment.
Yeah, my entertainment's more of a priority.
Oh, the water is really clean right now.
Yeah, the water is clean. Yeah, we're doing a good job. Damn, good job.
This
guys.
one's so smoothly.
He sounds like he's freaking drowning.
He kind of is. Do you want to like wash your face for a second? Or, like?
Yeah. Are you drowning?
He's just like, I've accepted my
My
fate.
nose.
Nearly done.
I can't breathe. Can we see? Wait, come out. Do a grand review. Oh my god!
I think you look good.
I like it.
Yeah.
靚仔
Dude, you should start like you should cut your fringe short and then like start combing it front like that.
You should leave it like that.
Yeah. You should cut it shorter a little bit and then dude, it looks good. I think.
We did him a favor.
Do you like it right now?
Yeah?
Oh my god. Are you getting shy? Let's go. Go.
Dude, it actually looks good on you. That's
Right?
good too.
I love how everyone's like surprised.
Yeah.
I think it's just him.
Wait, who died? Who died?
Chi did the dying.
That's also.
Hey, yeah, you look younger.
Just a drink. Younger, even younger.
Oh my gosh, he's so pretty.
I'll show you. Seriously.
Dude, you seriously look so good. Like this turned out so much better than I thought.
Me too. High five. We did a good job.
We're experts. Thunder is here for you, bro.
Welcome to America. Oh my god. Stop. Oh my god. Bro, you can go like upside down in this. There's vibration. Bro. No, I did not just get out of the swimming pool. Literally got rain on. Look how heavy this towel is. I can squeeze out water. It's like all wet.